Machine learning, turning current challenges to new opportunities. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence (AI) that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being clearly programmed. Machine learning focuses on the development of computer programs that can access data and use it to learn for themselves. Another definition of machine learning is, machine learning is a set of rules that a computer develops on its own to correctly solve difficulties. The basic idea is that a machine learning computer will find outlines in data and then predict the outcome of something it has never seen before. The intelligent systems built on machine learning algorithms have the ability to learn from past experience or historical data. Machine learning algorithms can process more information and spot more configurations than their human counterparts. One study used CAD when to review the early mammography scans of women who later recognized breast cancer, and the computer spotted 50% of the cancers as much as a year before the women were formally diagnosed. Moreover, machine learning can be used to understand disease in large populations. If you've traveled on an airplane or take part in a big public event recently, you surely had to wait in long security screening lines. But machine learning is verifying that it can be benefit to help to remove false alarms and spot things human screeners might miss in security screenings at airports, stadiums, malls, clinics, bus stations and other places. That can speed up the process meaningfully and guarantee safer events. For industries that include monetary transactions, detecting fraud is difficult. Since digital transactions have greatly increased in recent years, the risk of fraud has too. With machine learning, businesses can review millions of transactions and identify doubtful activity faster than with human experts. Machine learning in the form of artificial intelligence can be used to grade student projects and exams more accurately than a human can. It may require some input from a human being, but the results will have higher validity and trustworthiness. Machine learning in the form of artificial intelligence also has the potential to make educators more well-organized by completing tasks such as classroom management, scheduling, etc. In turn, teachers are free to focus on tasks that cannot be achieved by artificial intelligence, and that requires a human touch. Search engines depend on machine learning to improve their services is no secret today. Applying these, Google has introduced some amazing services. For example, voice recognition, image search and many more. Using machine learning, you can synthesize the information in a data and make appropriate conclusions, such as a person's interests. Have you simply browsed an online retail website and suddenly received recommendations of items you might be interested in and in turn end up buying an item you didn't plan to? This is the power of machine learning. According to Reg Chua, COO of Reuters News, technologies are close to providing customized news and market reports, and newsrooms are starting to embrace the possibilities. Soon we will start receiving and news customized for us and financial reports on demand for you. These reports won't be generic but ones that will be able to compare your investment portfolio and its performance against the broader market with explanation, to boot. For example, it's 2:13 p.m. The market is 4.2% up but your portfolio is 1.5% down. This is owed in part to the purchase of stock X, which you purchased 10 days ago and has since fallen sharply due to. In the near future, we expect that robots become more intelligent at performing various tasks. Robots, drones in assembling places, and different sorts of robots are maybe going to be used progressively to make our lives easier. Machine learning is one of the most troublesome innovations of this 21st era. Even though this innovation can even now be considered as a beginning, its future is impressive.